Installing a hydrogel screen protector is easy and it ensures lasting protection for your smartphone. Clean your phone screen thoroughly using the alcohol cloth that is provided in the kit, followed by the microfiber cloth, and lastly, use the dust remover. Use the dust sticker to pick up any dust particles remaining on your screen. Peel off the hydrogel screen protector and align it on your phone, ensuring that all the four corners are exactly aligned and they've got the same distance from the edge, so it's nicely centered. Lightly press the screen protector in the middle of it and gently press it from the middle to the end. After that, gently press it again from the middle to the other end with your credit card. Since you are doing this as a DIY project, if you've got a squeegee, just use a squeegee to do the pressing. Use your credit card to remove any remaining bubbles and ensure that you press them from the center to the edge of the screen. And there you have it. Your hydrogel screen protector is installed, providing you durable, bubble-free protection for your smartphone. Enjoy your protected screen and of course your peace of mind. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.